In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Firstly, launch Settings and scroll to tap on Advanced Features. Then scroll again, this time to choose Dual Messenger. And now we use gray switcher next to Use Separate Contact List if you want to use this feature. Click on the switcher, tap on the feature on the left, and to select your contacts for a copy of your app, hit Select Contacts, and after using Add button at the top right corner, select them. Then select Done also at the top right corner and go back. Now, if you will ever change your mind, use the same option, hit Select Contacts, and to get rid of them, hit Delete button next to the Add one. Pick them, and if you decided to delete all of them after hitting Done, you will see this pop up. Decide if you want to add some new contacts or don't add them at all. Go back again. Use blue switcher to disable this option and hit OK and use your Lego contacts pop-up. Now with this out of the way, let's clone some apps. To do that, just tap on gray button next to the chosen one, hit Install and wait. If you never cloned any app before, you need to choose Confirm in Disclaimer pop-up. You only need to do it once. So when I go back to check it out, Facebook was successfully cloned. If you ever want to delete any clone, you can go back to the same section of your settings, use now blue switcher, and hit Uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!